Today we have a very important advancement in the development of Marduk. A random PVC pipe right in the middle of the cockpit. Alright, in this crazy mess of PVC I have installed the initial transmission control. So here's the column you grab to control it. I'm going to be modifying it a little later so it fits in properly. So you pull it back to make it go into reverse, and push it forward to make it go forward. It's connected just with some metal cables. And I will probably be putting on some sort of locking mechanism so the gears don't shift while it is in motion. Probably something similar to the plate it initially came with. So that's it. Bye-bye.